Hello everyone, my name is Kinisha. I have done activity vowel and consonant. Please like it.
Why it will go to A? It's a vowel or consonant?
Consonant.
Consonant. Okay. Pen start with which letter?
A.
Pen start with which letter?
P.
P. So P is
Consonant.
consonant. Oh, very good. Keep in the A column. If it is one and consonant, it will go to A. Now what is there in your hand?
Apple.
Apple. An or A? An apple or A apple?
An apple.
Okay. Keep in that. Okay, fine. I'll give you one more thing. Why it is an apple?
Vowel.
It's vowel. First starting letter is
Vowel.
vowel. Very good. It's not vowel. It's vowel. What you should say? Vowel. Yes. And only one.
Only one.
One. What is the starting letter of apple? Okay. Starting letter of apple.
A.
A. So A is friend of
An.
and. Very good. So Kanisha, I kept here hut. In which column it will go?
A.
A. Why?
Did it consonant?
It is consonant. Okay, very good. What is the starting letter of hut?
H.
H. So H is?
Consonant.
Very good. And who is the friend of consonant? Who is the friend of consonant?
A.
Very good. Now I am giving you another thing. I am keeping here in the middle. What is this?
Iron box.
Iron box. Where it will go? Who is friend of iron box?
An.
An. Okay. Keep in the an column. I'll help you. Okay, fine. Okay. Kanisha, why you kept iron box in an column?
Because it's a naughty.
Naughty?
Vowel.
Naughty vowel. Okay, very good. Iron starts with which letter?
I.
I. Very good.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
zebra is standing. Where he should go? He should go near an or A. Which column he went?
A.
A column. Okay. Oh, here is one ice cream. Do you like this
Yep.
flavor? Which flavor do you like, Kanisha?
Strawberry and chocolate.
Oh,
I like
okay.
number
Two flavors. Okay. Now, in which column it should go? Whether an or A?
An.
It should go to an. Keep in an column. Very good.